Welcome to MIK Islam Hub. Islam is not just a religion, but a complete way of life that brings together spirituality, compassion, and a profound sense of purpose. Its timeless teachings offer guidance for every aspect of human existence, making it a source of inspiration for billions. Let us explore 10 key facts that reveal the extraordinary beauty of Islam. 1. Unity in diversity. Islam fosters a profound sense of unity among people from all walks of life, regardless of race, culture, or language. The concept of Ummah represents a universal brotherhood that transcends borders and social classes, reminding us that all humans are equal in the eyes of Allah. This equality is beautifully demonstrated during the Hajj pilgrimage, where millions of Muslims, dressed in simple white garments, stand shoulder to shoulder in worship, highlighting the unity of humanity under one Creator. 2. Peace and mercy. At its core, Islam is a religion of peace. The word Islam itself is derived from Salaam, meaning peace, signifying the importance of harmony within oneself, with others, and with the natural world. One of Allah's most mentioned attributes in the Quran is Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, which reflects His boundless compassion for all creation. Muslims are encouraged to emulate this mercy in their daily lives by showing kindness to their families, neighbors, and even strangers, embodying Islam's peaceful message. 3. Rights for all. Long before modern movements for human rights, Islam granted individuals rights and dignity. Women were given the right to own property, seek education, and participate in societal matters. Children are seen as a blessing, and their upbringing is regarded as a sacred responsibility. Islam also extends rights to animals, emphasizing humane treatment and the importance of caring for the environment. These teachings continue to serve as a model for fairness and equity. The concept of charity. Zakat. Charity is not just encouraged, but is a fundamental pillar of Islam. Zakat, the mandatory annual almsgiving, ensures wealth circulation by requiring Muslims to give a portion of their earnings to the less fortunate. This system promotes social equality, reduces poverty, and fosters a sense of responsibility towards the community. Additionally, voluntary charity, sadaqah, is highly rewarded in Islam, reinforcing the importance of compassion and generosity. 5. Environmental stewardship. Islam teaches a deep respect for the environment, urging believers to care for the earth as stewards, Khalifa. The Quran frequently emphasizes the balance and harmony of creation, as seen in Surah Ar-Rahman. Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, also highlighted the importance of conserving resources, planting trees, and protecting wildlife. These timeless principles of sustainability resonate deeply in today's world, where environmental preservation is more critical than ever. 6. The universal message of the Quran. The Quran is not limited to a specific time or place, but offers universal guidance for all of humanity. Its teachings address spiritual growth, ethical behavior, family life, economics, and governance, providing a comprehensive framework for living a balanced and meaningful life. The Quran's emphasis on justice, compassion, and wisdom continues to inspire countless individuals, bridging the gap between spirituality and practicality. 7. Emphasis on knowledge. The first revelation given to Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, was the command to read, Iqra, underscoring the importance of education and the pursuit of knowledge in Islam. This emphasis on learning extends to all fields, from religious studies to science, mathematics, philosophy, medicine, astronomy, and engineering, fueled by the Quranic call to explore and reflect on the world. 8. A comprehensive lifestyle. Islam provides a holistic framework that encompasses every aspect of life, offering practical guidance for personal, social, and spiritual matters. From daily prayers that cultivate discipline and mindfulness to dietary laws that ensure health and purity, Islam's teachings create a balanced and harmonious lifestyle. Its principles of justice, honesty, and compassion are not just ideals, but actionable values that benefit both individuals and society. 9. The beauty of Salah, prayer. Salah, the daily prayer, is a profound act of devotion that connects Muslims to their Creator. Praying 5 times a day fosters a sense of discipline, gratitude, and mindfulness, creating moments of spiritual renewal amidst life's busyness. The physical movements of prayer, combined with heartfelt supplications, serve as a reminder of humanity's humility and dependence on Allah. Salah is not just a ritual. It is a source of inner peace and a reminder of life's ultimate purpose. 10. Forgiveness and repentance. One of Islam's most beautiful aspects is its emphasis on forgiveness and the endless opportunities for repentance. Allah's attribute as Al-Ghaffar, the forgiving, assures believers that no sin is too great to be forgiven if one sincerely seeks His mercy. This teaching encourages a culture of hope and self-improvement, reminding us that every day is an opportunity to grow closer to Allah and make amends for past mistakes. Islam's beauty lies in its profound universality, its call to compassion, and its balance between spirituality and practical living. By fostering peace, unity, and a sense of responsibility, it offers timeless guidance that resonates with humanity's deepest values. Truly, Islam is a light for those who seek wisdom, harmony, and purpose in their lives.